Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ellen. In today's video, we'll be talking about secrets to learning mathematics, which I learned from Korean Master of Study. So at one point in time, we found ourselves hating mathematics while we don't really know the particular reason. Do we really know the reason why we hate mathematics? That is a personal question for each and every one of us. We hate mathematics because we take mathematics as something we need to study. And that brings me to the first tip, which says mathematics is a game. Everyone loves game, either computer or phone game. Yes, and let me say you've been playing a particular game for maybe 3 hours, which has a particular level, and you don't seem to get the set target, or you don't seem to accomplish what the level is saying. So, and you suddenly find yourself, okay, accomplishing that target, that is maybe getting past that level. How will you feel? You will feel great, like you will feel excited, thrilled, and that's what mathematics is. Mathematics is not different from that. Okay, mathematics is a game which we have to reach a set target called solution. Okay, let me ask you one question, and the question is, why do you get a positive number when you multiply two negative numbers? Okay, that's a question for us. So you may be thinking that how, why, but we don't have to think about that. Yes, if it's positive, it's positive. Nobody has time to start thinking why will a positive number be gotten from multiplying two negative numbers. And that's what we say. Math is a sport. Mathematics is a sport. Mathematics is not mental. Mathematics is physical. That means we have to learn mathematics with our body, not like other subjects like literature or English, which you learn and you get the answer from the passage when reading, or you can even get the answers from the question. So mathematics is meant to be studied with our body. And that takes me to the second tip, which says solve mathematics questions spontaneously, automatically, and mechanically. Have your body react naturally to the incoming mathematics problem. That is answering the mathematics question spontaneously. That means you've gotten used to solving problems that you now have them in your brain. So when you study patterns of questions in your brain, that means you practice questions over and over again, that when you see question, the basic formula will just pop into your head, and then you'll be able to answer questions just like a calculating machine. You know, when you use your calculator, maybe you press 3 times 4 to give it to your calculator doesn't need to start saying loading or anything. It just pop out the answer. That's just how answering mathematical questions automatically means and mechanically. For example, when I ask you square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 25, you should be able to tell me the answer direct, that the answer is 10. You don't have to think. That's because I have practiced mathematics question, that I've gotten to the pattern of the question and it's already saved in my head. And that takes me to the third tip, which says memorize basic formulas thoroughly. Memorize basic mathematical formulas over and over again and solve mathematical questions repeatedly. Memorize formula to the point where formula just pop into your head without you knowing or thinking. So if you memorize basic formulas just like your class timetable, you'll be able to get above 80% in your mathematics question based on instinct alone. And that takes me to the fourth tip, which says make your own problem or questions. So making your own problems or question may not be easy at first, but you just have to think and make the question, just as how your lecturer makes questions. And keep in mind when making questions that questions, exam questions or test questions or math questions, are made by people for people. Questions don't just jump from the sky or come with rain. They are made by people for people. So when you make your question, keep in mind that questions are not made to be unsolvable, or they are not made to give us headache. Questions are made for the solvers to give a solution. So let's come back to we students. Okay, when you are given questions in exam or maybe test or practice questions, put yourself in the shoes of the person that sets the question. Find the intention of that person in that question, so you'll be able to give answers to the questions. That's why you have to train yourself by setting up your own question. You can set question, exchange with your friends, and see how you're able to put your shoe in solving the person's question. And above all, let's be concentrated. Concentration is our survival. Concentration in everything you do. Concentration in your studies. And if you need tips on how to memorize basic formulas in mathematics, you can click on the video here. And I hope we have a lovely day, a lovely week, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in my next video.